I'm Aaron.
And I'm Emily, and Renovating KC completed a kitchen refresh for us. We experienced some water damage back in January and needed a refresh for our forever home. Our kitchen had some pretty significant damage, and Renovating KC came in and helped put together a plan to bring us back to a functional first floor and kitchen.
Yeah, Renovating KC was fantastic to work with, really from start to finish. I thought their professionalism, their level of communication was fantastic. Really appreciated, they laid out the entire timeline, gave us frequent updates of what to expect and when.
Our kitchen is the hub of our entire family and flow. And so what I appreciated most about Renovating KC is they listened to me as a busy mom of 2 young children. We needed to minimize our disruption. So the fact that we had a very clear timeline, we knew when construction was going to initiate and when it was going to stop, gave me the peace of mind to make sure that I could still lead a busy job, run our family, and not be totally consumed with a construction project in our house. So appreciated all that they did to maintain the cleanliness, maintain just some sense of normalcy as anyone may or may not experience when they go through a renovation at their home.
I would say that one of the main differences with Renovating KC is their design approach compared to some other companies we looked at. So being able to sit down with a designer, really talk about what you want and what your vision is, then see mocked up, computer drawings of what it would look like, as well as samples of materials. That really helped us become comfortable with the process and what the final design will look like.
Going through any construction project, you're going to have a little bit of a roller coaster of a variety of updates, a variety of dust, a variety of just different people coming in and out. And I think Evan's ability to coordinate and plan and communicate with us was just top notch. I appreciated the attention to detail from the subcontractors that we did engage through Renovating KC. They treated our home like it was their own, and so their ability to not only come in and fix the floors, fix the lighting, change the colors of the cabinet, they took the extra step and effort to make sure that it was done right, and it was picked up afterwards, because as a mom, as soon as those kids come in, it's going to be dust everywhere. And so they really took an extra step to make sure each night they tidied up and we had a functional home as best we could during a renovation.
Definitely little things like having a functional kitchen that you forget about and appreciate. So really enjoy that everything is back to a usable state, and we can use the entire first floor wraps again. Go for it. I wouldn't change a thing. I would definitely rehire them in a second. So to me, if you're on the fence and not sure it's worth it, go ahead and give them a call.
Recommend Renovating KC.